Hello po, good evening po sa inyo lahat and welcome to my channel, Best Investments by Mita Bache, and I am Kad, the seller of the MCA Home. So tara, today samahan nyo ako at itutur ko kayo sa aming 2-bedroom unit na model unit dito po kay The Craftsman. Okay po. Hello po, good evening po sa inyo lahat and welcome to my channel, Best Investments by Mita Bache, and I am Kad, the seller of the MCA Home. Hello, kamusta po kayo? So, I hope na napanood ninyo yung video ko doon sa una, yung 66.50 square meters natin. Ito, ang ipapakita ko sa inyo is yung bagong model unit natin kay The Craftsman. So, this one is a 57.50 square meters na 2-bedroom. Okay, this is a type A inner type. So, this one is located on the 10th floor. This is just near our elevator lobby. So, on this project, we have 8 elevators po for this project, okay? And then, dito po kay The Craftsman, this is a medium density unit. So, approximate siguro dito mga nasa 21 units per floor. So, konti lang ang mga units natin dito. Okay? So, this unit is a 2-bedroom type A na 57 square meters. We have this type of unit in the Oriana. And I think kay kung di ako nagkakamali kay Allegra Garden Place may ganyan din tayo. Pero this one is a different type. So, pakita ko na sa inyo, tara. So, pagpasok mo, what greets you is your dining area. Okay, so nandito agad yung dining area mo. And then, on the left side, nandito ngayon si kitchen area mo. So, yung kitchen area mo is like an L type. So, you have your faucet here, diba? Granite countertop, kitchen cabinets included. So, this is an upgraded unit. So, pinapakita ko lang ito is siguro para magkaroon kayo ng idea on how you may interior your unit, diba? So, kitchen, fridge, range hood, gas stove, induction cooker. So, and then dito yung ating toilet and bath. Pakita ko muna sa inyo. So, spacious pa rin. Kahit 57 square meters is big. Okay, so dito medyo maganda yung pagka-interior ng toilet and bath niya. Ang kagandahan lang dito, meron lang under cabinet, naglagay lang siya. Diba? Pero yung mga flooring natin, still the same. And then, also dito, yung storage natin for the washing machine, compared to the other layouts, katabi nung ng toilet and bath, pero parang dito nakalabas siya. Tapos ito na yung washing machine storage mo. And then, this is where your living area, entertainment system, di ba? Provision natin for the split type nandito. So maganda dito, 2-seater nilagay nila. Di ba? Pero siguro to maximize, di ba? Pwedeng 3. Di ba? Pa-customize kayo. Pwede po yan. And then, let's go to the bedroom 2. So, this is the bedroom 2. So, ito, maganda yung ilo na nilagay nila dito. Diba? So, a brown type. Almost all of the furnitures are with a touch of brown because to complement the flooring din. Diba? And even the sculptures yan na naka-mount sa wall. Maganda siya. Diba? Vanity mirror, closet, diba? Tama, wardrobe. Diba? Ganda. So now we go to the bedroom 1. This is the master bedroom. So, this is naka-interior ulit again. So, wardrobe cabinet mo. Diba? Parang hindi siya naka-varnish. Parang maganda yung niya. Ganyan talaga yung texture nung cabinet niya. And then, dito, yung entertainment mo. I think this one is a queen. Diba? Then, side table. And then, of course, siya rin yung may access kay balcony. So, ang kagandahan dito kay The Craftsman, malalaki yung mga balconies natin dito. Diba? A very spacious yung mga balcony natin, maluluwag siya. Diba? So, itong unit na to is facing towards EDSA also. Diba? Ayan si MRT. Quezon Avenue station natin. Okay? So, again, that's it. So, if you want to know more about this project, nandiyan yung numbers ko naka-flash sa screen. You may contact me anytime. Through Viber, through WeChat, through Facebook Messenger, through WhatsApp. Pwede tayo mag-schedule ng online presentation via Zoom or pwede tayo mag-schedule ng site viewing. Pwede ko kayo dalhin dito sa napakagandang project na to. And of course, si The Crestmont, syempre, may roof deck pool. Yun yung one of the highlights natin dito sa project na to. So, to know more, nandiyan yung numbers ko sa para you may contact me anytime. Okay? So, thank you for watching po. God bless po. Stay safe po. Bye-bye po.